Yarn sensation. Just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarn Sensation, and I am so happy that you decided to stop by and spend a little time with me. What I have created is a beautiful cat mat. So what I did to create it was I used the corner-to-corner crochet, but I did not complete the block. So I used that for the top of the design, and then the body of the design, real simple. Just, you're going to start off with a couple of rows of single crochet, half double crochets, double crochet, and you're going to repeat that for 3 rows, and then the rest of it will be double crochets, and the main body you're going to do double crochet rows, and then you will start decreasing to bring it in at the bottom. Once you complete that, you're going to single crochet around the entire mat using the main color, and then you want to repeat back around using your second color. You want to do 2 rows of single crochets back around the entire body, and then you will attach your corner-to-corner crochet piece to the top to get that look. And once you do that, it's complete. And then what you can do with the body of the mat is you can add little, let's say, accessories for the cat, whatever you think your cat might enjoy playing with, whatever toys, safe toys that you want to attach to your mat for the cat to enjoy a little playtime. And this is great for scratching as well, and you can always throw it in the wash it on gentle cycle and just let it dry. Just lay it out flat and let it dry. I would not put it in the dryer. But what I created for mine for right now is I just made a pom-pom, and I didn't even shape it up. I just wrapped it 45 times, and then I cut my loops and I placed it on here just by tying it onto the body of the mat. And then I just cut pieces of yarn, and it can be the length that you want, long, short. And this would be a great little toy too, because cats love yarn, so they can, you know, pull on it, whatever they want to do with it. And like I say, you can have fun with it. It's your mat, so you can create everything. Now, I did not prepare a tutorial for this mat, but I will share the link again for the corner-to-corner crochet. And then the body of it, like I said, is just double crochets. I can list I will list the amount of chains you need to create, you know, to get started, and I will also list the amount of rows, how I did to prepare it. But don't be discouraged. I will come back and do a tutorial for this particular pattern. But when I did create it and I laid it out on the floor, I thought of my granddaughters as well, and I said, oh, this would be pretty for a little rug for my granddaughters as well. Different color, different theme, and accessorize it as well, you know, for little girls. So it did take, you know, a little bit for me to make it. In between work, you know, work play, I was able to complete it. But well worth the time and the effort to make it and have fun. And the best part of this is I'm going to share it with our cat and see if he likes it, and then we will go from there. But once again, thank you guys for spending a little time with Yarn Sensation, and I hope you guys enjoy making yours.